Konnichiwa and hello everyone. It's Adrienne Cully with Accordion International here in our showroom, which is currently being rearranged behind me at Accordion's Innovation Park right in our home of Takashima, Japan. If this scene looks familiar to you, it's because almost exactly 1 year ago, I stood in this same spot and brought to you our first 5 folds in 5 minutes video. Now, 1 year later, I'm back to remind you that folding can be fun and simple, with 5 more folds in 5 minutes with our AFV-56K FKT ice folder. In our last video, some of you were not super happy about how I exaggerated the amount of time it takes to manually set up a folder. And listen, I hear you. If you're an experienced operator, you can surely do it in much shorter of a time, and I'm not discrediting that. The only problem is that experienced operators are less and less, and we have a major labor shortage going on, as I'm sure you've heard. So if we don't start using more user-friendly equipment, it will take hours and hours to set up even a simple fold every single time. With more diversified runs and shorter runs, no one has time for that. So today, to show you how user-friendly our equipment is, I'm going to show you the setup, changeover, and fine adjustments for 5 different folds in under 5 minutes. You know the drill. We don't have any time to waste, so let's get right into it. Our first fold is going to be a 3-panel accordion fold. Our second fold will be a roll fold. Third is a short Z fold. Then we have a direct male accordion fold and a special frog fold. The first 4 I will set up using our standard template feature on our folder, and the last I will show you from our memory bank to show you another versatile function of our equipment. As per usual, I've got Brian behind camera 1 and Gwandi behind camera 2, and they're going to start my timer, oh no, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the best part about this one is that actually we're going to use the same sheet size just for to have the same thing as the last time for stability. So let's start with our 3-panel accordion fold. I've got to do the thickness caliber, don't forget that, but you know what? It is okay because this is show business and this is happening in real time, and I'm just showing you that sometimes mistakes happen. So here we go. That's perfect. Let's perform the changeover. It's not even going to deter me because I have got this. Okay. Just a little snafu in the beginning, but that's fine. I'm going to load my sheets onto my table and I'm going to raise it up, get my hair out of my mic, that's important. And then let's go and turn the machine on. It's ready, okay. And let's run our first test sheet. Okay, Wandi, how are we looking? Maybe need to change 1 buckle. So let's go just 1.5 millimeters over. There we go. And let's run. All right, now let's see. We are looking perfect. Let's move on to the second one. Okay, here we go. We're gonna stop our machine and I'm going to do my roll fold. Okay, it's the same sheet, so same thickness. And we're gonna do our changeover. I don't have to wait for anything. Our touch panels are so user-friendly because they use so many icons and diagrams, so you can see exactly what the fold will look like at the end, and the diagram to see what's going on inside of the machine, which I think is really cool. Run our test sheet. And it just helps you so much to understand folding. Okay, just one minor adjustment. Honestly, I don't even think we really need it, but you know, we're going for perfection here, so my changeover can happen in seconds, why not? All right, Gwandi, take a look. There we go. Okay, and let's move on to our third fold. This is going to be our short Z fold. Again, we're using the same application, so I don't have to worry about that. I can just do my changeover. Here we go. Obviously, in this video, you can see our folder is great for diversified and short runs because it's very quick changing and very easy. However, it also moves at 885 feet. Do our test speed. Or 270 meters, depending on what form of measurement you use. Okay, just one minor adjustment, I think. Let's see. So you can also use it for your long runs. Honestly, it's like a 2-in-1. You can do it short and diversified or longer runs. Let's run our thing, run our fold, and let's see. Perfect. You're going to have to forgive us for our delivery section because usually you would set this up according to your fold, but when you're doing 5 in 5 minutes, I think that's where the timing ends, is also changing the delivery section. For this one, I'm going to lower my table down because we're gonna have to change the position of our sheets here. Feeding. For the knife, this is our direct mail fold. Raise the table up, and let's see, make sure everything's good, okay. And once that's ready, it looks ready, here we go. I'm gonna start our machine up and run our test. Let's see. Okay, Brian, why don't you take a look at this one? We need just a few adjustments, but that's okay, we have time for that. I think I've got about a minute left. Here we go. Let's go to our knife. I'm gonna change this to 99. Let's go down a few here. I'm gonna do my angle. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's run it. These are gonna come out perfect, I'm so excited. Brian, take a look. Looking good. Okay, last fold. This fold is gonna come from our memory, and this is great because if you have an experienced operator, they can work on a fold, especially a specialty fold like this one. They can work on a fold, all of the measurements, where it should be, the fine adjustments, everything, and then you can have an inexperienced operator come, pull it from the memory bank and run it with no issues in your shop. So our table's raising up, and I know I don't have to make any adjustments to this one because I set it up beforehand from our easy to use memory bank, so it is looking perfect. Actually, Brian, take a look. This fold is special because we actually developed it with this folder. We discovered it at a customer site, and now our customers use it all over the world, so that was kind of exciting. That was 5 folds in 5 minutes with our ice folder AFV-56K FKT. As always, if you have any questions or want any additional information, you can always contact your local Horizon representative or visit our website. Stay happy, stay healthy, thank you for watching, and finish first with Horizon. Bye.